Okay. Hey guys, this is Scrappy K Sue. This is the third time I'm trying to do this. Issues with cameras, etc., etc. But anyway, I am showing you these because these are the embellishments that I made for a swap in the Facebook group, Pocket Letters and Embellishments. And we were to make at least 5 embellishments with as much pink as possible, or it had to have at least some more pink than not, to what's the word? It's for the October for Breast Cancer Awareness. Okay, let's just say that. And these are, I went ahead and just did 6. And so let me show them to you. And excuse me if I mess up anything, because now I'm using my regular camcorder. So, okay. Alright. Most everything you see here I used something that was on my desk, like, you know, your little catch-all jars, and my desk is pretty much a catch-all jar. But most everything is used from that, and I'll explain. Let's go with this one first. This one right here, I just cut out. I did have to cut out these tags, or fishtail tags, and I had this little corner thing here on my desk, and this right here I had on my desk, and I think somebody gifted this to me, and I'm not sure, it's been a while. And this little wire thing right here was off of a flower, you know, the little flowers, and that comes with the wire attached to them. I just sort of kind of made a little flower and tucked it behind there, and that's all I did on that one. I didn't put any words or anything on this one. The next one is one that I already had, but I went ahead and put a little ribbon on it, and I was going to do something else, but I figured I didn't want to do too much to it, so I figured that would do good. And a lot of these stickers that I used came from a pack from Simply Stories called Hope, and this is the pack. You can't see it in the small thing, but here it is. It has a bunch of course, just regular papers, and then it had a couple of sticker sheets on there. This one right here, this oval came out of another thing that I was working on. Like, it cut out the thing I was working with, but this cut out as well, and I didn't need it for that particular project, so I'm using it for this one. And then this little swirlies behind here is my most favorite die, and for the life of me I cannot remember who it's from. I think it's Memory Box, but I'm not completely sure about that. This sticker right here that says Strong came from that sticker pack, and then I had a pack of these ribbon blings. Alright, and the next one is this one. This rosette came from something somebody either sent me or I bought at a D-stash. It's this right here. It was just a bunch of these straight things that had already been cut, and I just had to fold it and do it into the rosette. And then I had a little piece of ribbon sitting on my desk, and I said, well, it was pink. It happened to be pink. And so I folded it into a breast cancer awareness ribbon, and then I had this butterfly and this bling on my desk, and this "You Got This" sticker also came from that sticker pack. And wouldn't you know it, my battery's going down. I am not going to do this over again, so let's hurry. This was also sitting on my desk from another project, and I had a little bit of this ribbon right here, this lace ribbon, and it was just enough to fit on here, as well as this die cut. Everything was on my desk. This little butterfly also, this came from that sticker pack, and this came from, that says "Never Give Up," came from one of those word packs from Tim Holtz thing. I forget which one it is. And then I had a little bitty flower. Yeah, would you believe I had this little itty bitty flower sitting on my little desk right here that was just waiting to be used. So I used it on here and put a little bling on it. And last but not least is another one of these things that I had in here, and it was made out of this most favorite paper. You can't really see it that good, but it has those real pretty roses on it, and well, I can't get it out to show you because it's all glued together. Alright, and there's that my most favorite die again with the little swirlies, and here's the bottom of it. Here's that word sticker again. This one says "Hope" with a little ribbon sticker and another little flower. And this right here is a spellbinder, one of those cut, fold, and tuck ones. And I've had this on my desk forever. I had it already just like this with the little blings on it, just waiting for something to put it on, and I never could figure out what to use it on, so finally got to use it on this. And that's it. I hope that my partner likes these and can use them on something. So let me know what you guys think about them, and if you would have done anything different on this. And I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.